unboxing of the PreTreater Pro begin. First, remove the top cover from the carton box, and right after, the styrofoam sheets. As well as the side carton cover to reveal the machine. Take note that the machine weighs 100 kilos approximately and requires 4 people to lift it. After placing the PreTreater Pro onto a flat and stable surface, you are ready to start its preparation. Remove the blue security tapes carefully and open the nozzle access cover. Use a cutter to remove the tie wrap that fixates the nozzle's carriage. After that, open the dryer right below and check the table is properly placed on. Liquid installation comes next, so open the tank access cover to access the tank storage compartment. Take out the box and the device you will find inside and check you have everything you need. The user and installation guides, the registration page, the ultrasonic device, and into the box you will find 5 nozzles with 4 blue nozzle holders and 1 power cable EU standards. Always shake the pretreatment bottle well before placing either the L1 or the L2 tank. Take the tank out of the slot and open the cap. Take the tubes out and put them inside the new tank, closing the cap. Ensure they are in place and properly sealed before you place the new tank into the slot. Follow the exact same process for the second pretreatment and cleaner liquids. As you see, there are 4 different options of placing the pretreatment liquid into L1 and L2 slots. Option number 1. Use 1 pretreatment liquid into L1 tank. Option number 2. Use 1 pretreatment liquid into L2 tank. Option number 3. Use the same pretreatment liquid into both L1 and L2 tanks. And option number 4. Use 2 different pretreatment liquids into L1 and L2 tanks. In all cases, cleaner and maintenance liquids remain in the same default position. Closing the tank access cover, you can move forward to placing the nozzle assemblies inside the nozzle carriage chamber. Insert the nozzle inside the blue nozzle holder and position the black gasket into the holder. Push it to tighten. Attach the nozzle assembly to the carriage and turn it 90 degrees counterclockwise to lock it in position. Same process for all 4 nozzles. Put the carriage back into place and close the access cover. Next step is to power on the machine. Plug in the power cord and press the power on button from the main switch. To initiate the PreTreater Pro, tap anywhere on the screen. Super important is to follow the link to register your product for full access to Polyprint knowledge base. Press confirm to continue with the liquid charge. Select the tank you want to use and again confirm. It will take a few seconds for the initial charge to finish. The machine is now filled with liquid and ready for operation as you are transferred to the home screen. A nozzle check is always recommended to see if all 4 nozzles fire correctly. Opening the nozzle access cover, tap the nozzle button in the home screen. Enable all nozzles one by one and press the spray button. After you're done, press the home button and close the cover.